So the process of turning off comments on YouTube is quite easy and simple. First, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and the process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So you don't need to worry. Simply open up your Chrome browser. So here we go, and here you need to go and type in for YouTube Studio. So type in here and search for it. And here at the top you can see studio.youtube.com. So open this up. Now you need to go and tap on these three dots at the right bottom corner. In case of Android, this could be at the right top corner. So tap in here. And now request desktop size. Now this would open up. In case if it asks for login, so simply go and log into your account. And make sure that you have your channel selected at the right top corner, like in here. Just wait a bit, like here at the right top corner. So you can see your channel must be selected. You can switch account to go to that specific channel where that video resides that you want to turn the comments off. So once you're here, now you need to go and tap on the second icon, that is for the contents and videos. So this would open up this. Now you need to go to that specific video where you want to turn off the comments. So tap on the video. Now tap on the pencil icon. So once you're here, scroll down below, and here you need to tap on show more. So tap on show more. Now go to the bottom, and here we have comments and rating. So here you can see comments visibility selected, and it says disable comments. So select disable comments. So once you have selected this, go to the top, and here you have save button. So tap on save. So now the changes are saved and the comments are disabled and turned off on this specific YouTube video. So hopefully it has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.